Jackie, hi, towards your right at the back. Hi. So while Batman and Superman are a fairly recent phenomena, you were the original superhero for entire generations. And last year you finally won the much deserved and long awaited Oscar. So after nearly 5 decades and 200 films and countless broken bones, how do you look back to your career, and more importantly, what do you look forward to now?
Actually, like I just said before, when I'm making any film, I never thought I can get any award, because, like I said, cheap comedy action movie star. But I don't care, because I'm not for award. I fought for the audience, for myself. Even the box office good, box office not good. People going to see my movie, people not going to see my movie. I risk my life for every movie. And then I realized the Oscar is not this year what I'm doing, last year what I'm doing. They see 56 years, I never change. They give me the Oscar. Then I realized, no matter what kind of job you are, you're the cameraman, you're the MC, you're the dancer, you just do the best you can. Oscar come to you. Oscar, I'm not going to Oscar. Come Oscar to find me. Yes. Stay your dream. One day you will succeed. That's all.